Jim Cramer just noticed that not only are stocks falling, but so are bonds and the dollar. What happens when you sell the currency, you sell the bonds, and you sell the stocks of a particular nation? Well, the last time I saw that was back in 2010 and 2011 when you had the pigs: Portugal, Italy, Greece, and Spain. Countries in Europe that, people thought were largely insolvent. The Greeks don't collect taxes. And, there were problems with bonds issued by these countries. They went to like 7% in yield because everyone sold them. And then that got to a point where the ECB came in and was like, well, we're going to do whatever it takes. We're going to do whatever it takes. And they drove yields negative. They bought the entire government bond market of Europe and put it on their balance sheet. Now, how does that work in this case? Well, the Fed's not taking down and buying all of our bonds, but they can surely put a shitload of money in the system. They can put a lot of money in the system. Congress may even be able to do transfers and do helicopter money directly into people's hands. In other words, when you have sell bonds, sell stocks, sell dollars, there's only one way out of that, and that's helicopter money, right? And that doesn't necessarily stop the dollar from falling, and you know what? They don't want the dollar to stop falling. I mean, the dollar is on its third big leg down, right? There was one from 1985 to 1990, and then there was another big leg from 2000 to 2003, right? This is the next big dollar down move, right? Which of course, gold is telling you, and of course it's tremendous for Bitcoin. So when you have the United States and its credit default swaps and its bonds and blah, 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 we're trading like Greece, trading like an insolvent country that, can't get its act together. That has to mean dollar lower. That has to mean gold higher. And it has to mean you just wake up one day and people are after Bitcoin like there's no tomorrow. Like everybody all at once, right? What do they say in the Bitcoin standard? Gradually, then suddenly, right? Suddenly is coming. And the hard part about suddenly is living through the gradually, is watching Bitcoin follow NASDAQ every day, okay? That's what you have to sit with in order to be a legend, in order to be there when sell bonds, sell stocks, sell dollars resolves with printing helicopter money and Bitcoin over 100.